Alright, so we're going to look at reteaching 4-6, which is dealing with math and scale. And we are on the front, number 5. We're going to use this map of the Silver Lake camp to figure out some information. A volleyball court will be built 175 meters from the lodge. How far would the volleyball court be from the lodge on the map? So we know how far it is in real life, and we're trying to figure out how far that distance will be on the map. So you always want to go to your scale on your map, which is here. So 2 centimeters on the map is equivalent to 100 meters in real life. Your scale is always going to be the map or drawing to the actual. So the actual value will always be second. So we're going to set up a proportion where we do map over actual. And first you fill in the ratio with your known values, which would be your scale. So it's going to be 2 centimeters to 100 meters. And then we have to look in our question and see what they're telling us. There's a clue here that tells us that that's the actual distance, which would be the units meters. And since we had meters on the bottom, that's going to go on the bottom. But it also, just from reading it, you can tell that that's the real world distance. So that 175 meters is going to go on the denominator, and we don't know how many centimeters that will be on your map. And then we're going to solve this just like we solved all our other proportions by cross multiplying. So you're going to do 100 times x, which is 100x, is equal to 175 times 2, which would be 350. And then to solve that proportion, you're going to divide to get the x alone. So divide each side by 100. And that'll give you just 1x, or x, is equal to 3.5. And then if you look at your scale and also the label for the numerator, this is going to be centimeters. So the distance from the volleyball court to the lodge on the map will be 3.5 centimeters.